What's up, everybody? Welcome to my first video. This is Dapper Does Games, and for my first video we're doing the 2017 annual fidget spinner battle. And in the right corner we have Black Betty. Black Betty's record is 22-4. And then in the left corner we have Little T-Rex. His record is 16-1. I think most fans are thinking Little T-Rex is gonna win it, but I think Black Betty has this in the bag. So let's not waste any time and get right into the battle. So, we're doing best 2 out of 3 rounds. So, let's get into it. Oh, they're getting some good contact in here. Okay, I feel like round 1. Oh, actually, Little T-Rex won because he was still spinning. Round 2. Come on, Black Betty, you do this. Black Betty wins. It all comes down to this round to see who wins the 2017 annual fidget spinner battle. Okay. And they're off. They're coming at it. Oh, Black Betty gets hit hard. Oh, and it's a tie. Okay, so let's see who wins this. Oh. Okay, another tie. So come on. Come on, Black Betty, you can do this. Oh. Black Betty has done it. Black Betty has won the championship. Congratulations to Black Betty. Record 23-4 now, winning the 2017 annual fidget spinner battle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.